Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how you can enable show location of mouse pointer on pressing the control key. So for example, if I click on control, there is no pointer on which is pressing in my window, so I am gonna enable this. So for that I have to go to my settings. After coming to settings, you will see an option called devices. Okay, then you will in the left side you will see an option called mouse. Okay, then in the mouse option you will see an option called additional mouse option. Okay, then you will see an option called pointer option. Then check this on show location of pointer when I press the control key. So check this and click on apply, click on OK. Okay, then if I click, yeah, press control key, as you can see that it is showing me a pointer on my control key. So this is how you can enable the show location of mouse pointer on pressing the control key. So thanks you guys, thanks for watching.